How do I calculate percentiles with Python/numpy? Is there a convenient way to calculate percentiles for a sequence or single-dimensional numpy array? I am looking for something similar to Excel's percentile function. I looked in NumPy's statistics reference and couldn't find this. All I could find is the median, 50th percentile, but not something more specific.
You might be interested in the SciPy stats package. It has the percentile function you're after and many other statistical goodies. Percentile is available in numpy too.
By the way, there is a pure Python implementation of percentile function, in case one doesn't want to depend on SciPy. The function is copied below.
Starting Python 3.8, the standard library comes with the quantiles function as part of the statistics module. Quantiles returns for a given distribution just a list of n1 cut points separating the n quantile intervals, division of distant and n continuous intervals with equal probability. Statistics.quantilesDist, n equals 4, method equals exclusive, where n, in our case, percentiles, is 100.